Alright, we're going to be doing a quick run through of how to make a pop balloon snap. First off, we're going to need to take the pop balloon. We're going to need to make a bubble. Like that. See it? Now we basically just twist it. Keep twisting it until you think you have enough and make it pop just by squeezing it. Here's another quick run through. Make a bubble. Hang on, let me find an area. Here we go. This one's a little bit bigger. Twist it up until you think you have enough pressure. Which, believe me, if you twist these all the way to the end, it actually makes a really loud explosion. And yes, that is the clouds behind me, just so you know.